Today's episode will change the way you learn English. Most learners translate everything from their language, and this makes speaking slow and difficult. Today, I will teach you how to think in English step by step. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the EngSpark podcast, your daily place to learn real English in a simple and friendly way. This is episode 2, and today we talk about something very important: how to stop translating and start thinking in English. Why you must stop translating. When you translate in your head, you speak slowly, you hesitate, you lose confidence, and sometimes the sentence is wrong. Thinking in English helps you. Speak faster, speak more naturally, understand people better, build real confidence. So how do you do it? Let's start step by step. Step 1. Start with easy English. If you are a beginner, don't start with hard grammar. Start with simple sentences like, I am hungry, I am tired, I need water, I like this. Say these sentences in your everyday life. Repeat them. Use them with yourself. When you use English in daily life, your brain starts thinking in English naturally. Step 2. Shadowing practice. Shadowing means listening to English and repeating at the same time. This trains your brain to think and speak instantly. Try this every day. Listen to short English audio. Repeat exactly what you hear. Copy the speed, sound, and rhythm. Do this for 5 minutes per day. It works really fast. Step 3. Name things in English. Wherever you are, name things around you. This is my phone. This is my bag. I am walking. I am opening the door. This helps your mind connect English to real life, not translation. Step 4. Use English for simple thinking. Try to think small thoughts in English. What should I eat? Where am I going? I need to finish my homework. Simple thinking builds strong fluency over time. Common mistakes, most students. Try to think big sentences. Try to be perfect. Learn too many words. Translate every word. Don't do this. Remember, simple is strong. Small English becomes big English. Final tips. Here are your daily steps. 5 minutes shadowing, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes thinking in English, 5 minutes repeating sentences. Just 20 minutes per day will improve your English quickly. Thank you for listening to EngSpark Podcast, Episode 2. If you enjoyed this episode, follow our podcast, share it with a friend, and send me your question for Episode 3. And remember, you can learn English. You just need daily practice. See you in the next episode. Let's grow together.